horses in a good way. I remember back in the late 1850s.
Watch out! Watch out!
Keep an eye on, we have these horses coming around. Some of them might get away, but I want you to come straight down into the arena. I don't want to speak too loud and scare some of them, but as they come around, I believe we're going to sing them a song around here, ladies and gentlemen. If you can, we're asking to please rise also in honor of our Horse Society here. On the way from Sisitonwan, Wahpetonwan. People don't listen, huh? Yeah, here they come, ladies and gentlemen, coming in through the west side of the arena. As they come around, welcome them. Give them a nice big round of applause. Here we go. If they're gonna park in the back or
yeah, they're gonna park and he's gonna come up and talk.
okay, so our horses are gonna just come on off to the side here, and we have a representative here from our Horse Society that's going to give a little bit of information, a little bit of detail about some of the things that went on during this journey here from Sisitonwan. I believe they started on Tuesday. They made their way all the way up into Ogama until last night. And they finished the final track of their journey here this morning, this afternoon. And so we'd like to say, we could be a shy from our quick here this afternoon. Thank you guys for being here. We're going to turn the microphone on over to, I believe, Mr. Seth Eastman.